Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to learn dividing decimal with whole numbers. As you can see that we have two questions here, and in these questions the first number is with decimal and the second number is a whole number, and we need to divide a decimal number with the whole number here. And most students get confused that where they need to put the point in their division. So today we are going to learn that. So let's get start the video. So first question, we have 4.85 divided by 5. So we need to divide 4.85 with 5. As you can see that the first number is with decimal and the second is with whole. So 4.85 will stay inside the division and 5 will stay outside. So here we will write 4.85 inside and 5 we will write outside. Now we need to align the points here, because in our answer this point will stay only there. You can see there the points are aligning here. So now we can divide. So we would put 0 here, and we know 5 times 9 is 45, which is less than 48. So now we need to subtract it. So 8 minus 5 is 3 and 4 minus 4 is 0. Now we need to write down the next number, that is 5. And we know that 5 times 7 is 35. So 7 here and 35 here. Now we need to subtract, and 5 minus 5 is 0 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So answer is 0.97. This is how we divide decimal with the whole number. We just need to align our points in division, and then we can just start normal division. Next question is a little bit difficult than the first, because in the first question we had point after one digit and here we have point after two digits. But let's see how to do it. So we will write 95.1 inside, because that is the first number, and we need to write 6 outside because we are going to divide with 6 here. Now we need to align the points. So here I'm going to write my point, and you can see that point is aligning here. So now we know that 6 times 1 is 6, which is less than 9. So I'm going to write 1 here and 6 here. Now we need to subtract. So 9 minus 6 is 3. Now we cannot do it more, so we need to write down the next number, that is 5. And we know 6 times 5 is 30, which is less than 35. So I'm going to write 5 here and 30 here. Now we need to subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Now I need to write down the next number, that is 1. Now we have 51. So we know that 6 times 8 is 48, which is less than 51. So now we need to subtract the numbers. So 1 will become 11, and 11 minus 8 is 3. And 5 will become 4 because of the 11. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Now you can see that we are left with 3 only in the remainder. So but we cannot have remainder in this kind of questions. So we need to put 0. And it will become 30. So we know that 6 times 5 is 30. So I'm going to write 5 here and 30 here. Now you can see that my question ends here and I got 15.85 as an answer. So this is how we solve dividing decimal with the whole number. Sometimes you have to have more zeros in the question, then you can take more zeros, but it depends on the question. But you need to have your question ends fully. I hope this lesson helped you. See you in next video. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye bye.